Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelique and today I'm going to be doing a really cute tutorial. I want to do a rainbow tutorial. I've been using this Colourpop collection that I got in this month's PR, and the palette is so super cute. It's the rainbow palette. You guys know I'm in love with rainbows, so I've created several looks with this, and I wanted to make sure that I got one on my channel. Instead of doing like a review, because I've already used this a lot, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you that I love it. I love this palette. I love the colored mascaras. I love the gel liners that came with it, all of that stuff. I'm really sick still. I filmed my Pennywise video yesterday, so if you guys saw that, then you know that I was really sick and I had to do a time-lapse video. So today's video, I'm gonna be doing the same, except I'm not gonna like speed it up so you guys can see the blending and everything. I might speed it up like a little bit, but I'm not going to talk during it. I'm going to try to show you what I'm using, but I'm not going to talk, and then I'm going to maybe put some like either soothing or some happy music or something for you guys to listen to. And also, I want to know your all's opinion on this style of video. I've not done this on my channel before because I've always like tried to teach and stuff, but if you guys prefer this, or if you would like for me to do this more where I don't talk and you just get to watch the video with some music, let me know, because that is a little bit quicker to edit, and especially with Halloween season coming up, sometimes those looks can take me like 8 or 9 hours, sometimes longer. So if I can just do time-lapse videos like that and you all are cool with that, then let me know in the comments what you all think. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.